it's Jen and Deanna, and it's that time of the year again. Holiday unboxing! Woo! And we've got so much again, so we're gonna have to break this video up into two parts. So this is part one today. We're gonna go through a lot of it, and still there's so much more.
So much.
So let's dive in.
This is one of our new sets from Holiday. This is called High Tides and Good Vibes. And this is a set of our H2O glosses in the deluxe version.
How many?
Super, super exciting because it's only $39 for all of these.
How many are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're getting 9.
And this is really great too because if you've never tried our H2O glosses and you want to give them a try, this is the perfect way to do it because there are core shades in here.
Yeah.
So if you just want to have a little bit, you're not ready to fully commit, we understand. We're going to go through some of our favorite shades right now.
All right, I'm gonna volunteer as tribute, and I'm going to get them swatched on my arm so you guys can see all the shades and what they look like. Which one is this? This one is Tiki Bar. It's a really pretty, like, mauvey nude color. I really like this.
Very cute. And my favorite, these are actually two core shades that I'm obsessed with. The first is Room Service. You guys may know because I use this one a lot. This one reminds me of like the gloss version of Salt Life Color Splash, and obviously a lot of you might know that's my favorite shade. And then the other one, I actually like to wear it when I'm wearing like fun pink earrings or something, and it's great for summer. This is Maldives. So I'm gonna wear this one, I think. Ooh, that looks really pretty. Oh, that looks really pretty, especially with your silver eye look going on. Really, really cute.
I'm gonna swatch Tiki Bar first on my arm.
I'm gonna put some Maldives on me.
Ooh, these are so pigmented.
So pigmented.
Ooh, look at you. It matches your earrings. It's
I know.
Really bright and pink.
I love wearing.
I'm gonna swatch it.
Oh yeah. I love wearing Maldives when I have like my bright pink earrings on.
Yes, Deanna.
Look at that. The ones with the holiday deco are the exclusive holiday ones.
Yes.
The ones that are typical
yeah.
cap are the ones that are in the core shade.
So that's how you'll know.
Smart.
The new ones have the fun
smart.
tropical caps, and the traditional ones, the original, the OGs, have the classic water type caps.
So smart. Okay, this next one is Tahiti. So adorable.
Sorry, I just like took that from your hand. I'm like,
no, it's okay.
I'll take that.
Ooh, I can already tell.
This is a good
Wow.
holiday red. I feel like I should put this one on.
Yeah, that'll look good with your silver too. Very pretty. This next one is Key Largo.
Go, baby, why don't we go?
This one is Sandbar. I actually think
Go,
that's
Mom.
like what Mark's mom, my mother, what
We can't talk to him.
my mother-in-law loves the warm shimmer shades like that.
They're
Metallic
fun.
shades.
They're really pretty.
Very pretty.
Gorgeous and full coverage.
And this is another color that I feel like I love, Isla Morada, and it has the cute little pineapples. I know, I really like this.
It's like a perfect pink, like
Yeah.
really pretty.
Really pretty. Okay, swatch away.
Give me that one. Let me see it.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna come in so you guys can see these swatches.
So all of these beautiful shades in that set are going to be available at Sephora because they're part of our Rainforest of the Sea collection, and this is our High Tides and Good Vibes H2O gloss set. So this next one is one of my favorite sets. I personally love pineapples. I had my whole bachelorette party themed as pineapples. But this one is really awesome because we have 24 Amazonian clay eyeshadows on this side. They're beautiful colors too. And then over here you get 2 blushes, a bronzer, and a highlighter, plus this awesome mirror, which is really cool.
I love this purple shade right here.
That's really pretty.
Green
That
and
purple is
blues.
really cute too. Tell them what else they get.
Oh, you're also getting a little mini Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. You're also getting a Sex Kitten eyeliner, and you're getting a little lip quench. Look how cute this is.
So cute. This is called the Pineapple of My Eye set. This is at Sephora, and I love the name too.
It's
by the way.
beautiful.
It's
Just
adorable.
Beautiful.
And this is $59, but it retail values for $354. So that's pretty awesome. You're getting all of this for just $59.
And we're going to be swatching this whole palette on our Instagram story, so make sure you're following Tarte Cosmetics on Instagram because that's where we'll be doing that, live swatches, so you can see.
Yes. Right now, we'll just maybe swatch a couple, like our favorites.
Yeah, I want to just swatch this purple one and that green one.
Oh yeah, the green one.
Yeah.
Oh, I really like those. Wait, do this purple over here.
Okay.
The purple matte.
Fingers. I messed up.
Ooh. I love
love a good dark purple, especially
This
for, like,
is really pretty, this dark purple.
please ignore my like swatching skills right now. I don't know what's going on. Alright, next we're talking lashes, and first we have our Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara, and it's in this gorgeous like flamingo gold packaging. It is so cute. This is my favorite mascara. I literally use it in every single one of my videos. I love it.
It's true.
Lengthens, curls, conditions, and volumizes your lashes. And this baby will be available on Tarte.com, Sephora, Ulta, and QVC, and Macy's.
Also available at all the retailers is this adorable lash curler. So this is our Lashy and Flashy set, and this is $20 available at all retailers, and you're getting the lash curler and the deluxe Lights Camera Lashes. Just 20 bucks.
So
Great
cute.
for a gift too.
Yes. And the next thing is also pineapple themed. I'm gonna let Deanna do it because she loves pineapples and she wants to talk about this one.
So this is our pineapple throne. This is so adorable. This is sold at Ulta, and look how cute this is.
I love this because I needed
is
something
so
like this for a
cute.
really long time.
Look how cute
It's
this
a little
is.
stand for your sponge.
Oh my gosh, this is adorable. So personally, I don't like having my sponge just like laying on the counter or
It
like
rolls
laying on the table.
off.
It rolls off.
It
Yeah.
gets everything dirty.
This is the cutest
I love
pineapple
this.
throne I've ever seen.
It is adorable.
And this is $21, so you're getting the sponge and the cute little throne. It is so adorable.
And the sponge, you just wet it and squeeze it, rinse it out. It's gonna like double in size, and it's so soft. It's great for applying foundation, concealer, you name it.
Oh, I love it.
All right, next we've got our limited edition Let's Flamingo brush set.
These are
Look
so
at this.
cute.
They're literally like flamingo legs. They're
Oh.
so cute.
So cute. And then you have some pineapples too.
Look at this. It's like a party brush set.
Oh my
I love
gosh.
this so much. And this is an awesome one for contouring because it's like angled just like that. I love it. Let's get
Yeah.
the jaw. Getting
Oh
the,
my
You can even
gosh.
use it for the clavicle bone for a little bit of highlighter.
Yeah.
You're getting
I
this
love this.
awesome powder brush. Oh my gosh, they're so soft and they're cruelty free,
Ooh, wow.
just like all of our brushes. Right? Like how
They're
soft
so
is that?
soft.
They're also vegan, and you're getting a powder brush, a contour brush, you're getting a highlighter brush, a blush brush, a powder brush. You have literally everything you
Everything.
need right here.
And they're so cute. You just want to like show them off.
I love them so much. I'm like, I don't want to get them dirty.
I know.
Oh, they're so adorable. This is a collector's set. If you're gonna
Oh, for
collect
sure.
any brush set this holiday season, this is the one you want to save for. This one's so cute. So how much is this one?
This one is $44.
Oh my gosh. You're getting
Really
all these for
amazing.
$44. They're so cute.
I love the
really
pink.
this
I really love
pineapple
the pink.
chisel. I can't wait to contour with this.
That is so cute. Next up, we have this vegan skincare set. This is called It's About to Glow Down.
I love skincare. Skincare is like one of my favorite things ever, so I'm excited about
This is so cute because you get all these deluxe size skincare items, and once again, actually, is that full size? No, that's deluxe.
Let me see that. Let me put that out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And once again, if you guys have never tried these products, this is a great way to try them because you're just getting the little deluxe size, and you, oh, I love this product.
This is so hydrating. It's infused with 9 oils, so it's really gonna hydrate your skin and transform it overnight. So
This is our Cosmic Maracuja Balm. It's amazing. It's the bomb.
and we literally. We also have our maracuja oil with our gold little flecks in it. Look how nice.
So
this is.
pretty.
So cute. And then this is Dean's
And then we
favorite.
also have our Mermaid Skin Hyaluronic H2O Serum. These two products I actually use a lot, these two specifically, and then I put that all over my body, to be honest.
I do too. Actually. It's like really, really hydrating, especially this. And this. Go. Sorry.
No, I was
We're like excited. We're like, wow.
I was gonna say, I've been putting the maracuja oil, I started peeling on my hand because I missed some spots with sunblock. Sometimes it's hard, I miss my hands. Anyway, I've been putting maracuja oil all over my hands lately. Lifesaver.
So hydrating. Yes.
But yeah, this whole entire
Just gotta
set.
touch this.
Oh yeah.
Wait, you have to see, like, oops, I just touched it. I did, but look how beautiful it is, the gold plus.
So pretty. It's so hydrating. I honestly like to put this on at night and just, it kind of gives like a mask almost.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
It's
Anyway,
really,
you get
really
all
hydrating.
3 of these for just $29. $29. That's amazing.
Steal.
Yeah. They're all hypoallergenic. They're all vegan. Love this. And this set is a Tarte.com exclusive, so you can only get it on Tarte.com.
Next, we've got our Palm Trees and Ocean Breeze Magnetic Palette. And I
So
love these.
pretty.
They're so great. You could pop out your favorite Tarte products like our blushes, some of our shadows, and you pop them right in here and you can make your own palette. And look how big the mirror is.
I love the mirror. Mirror is my favorite part. And I love this because it's great for travel. So you can customize your own palette,
Yeah.
pick and choose your favorite shades, and you have the mirror too. I think the big mirrors are great for travel.
I love that. And this is available on Tarte.com. It's available at Sephora, Ulta, and Macy's.
And it's only $19.
Yep.
Next up is our Lasting Lippies lip set, and I think we should just talk about the value of this first because you're getting 5 of our lip paints for just $39, and one of them is 20. So this is like an incredible deal. These are really great for gifting too. You can just pop them out and put them in a little stocking stuffer or gift the whole set. Maybe keep one for yourself.
And they're all really, really good shades.
They are.
Some nudes, some mauve tones, red, a nice pink. Got it all.
These are all core shades too, so we'll go through them real quick.
I also love these because they're transfer proof. So if you're wearing these to a party and you like walk in, you give people like, you know, a kiss on the cheek, say hi, it's not gonna transfer onto them, which is what I love. It lasts. It's like tattooed on your lip, you put it on, and it's there for the night.
These like passed the, we call it like the paper towel test.
Tissue test.
Yeah, tissue test, yeah.
Yes, we put it on, kissed, and didn't transfer.
Nothing comes off, nothing.
It's incredible. I like this shade a lot. This one's Fly. This one's really pretty.
I like this one, Rosé.
Is Salty in here?
Salty is. That's
Salty's
like
my
your
favorite
shade.
nude color. I love this one.
And then we have Extra, which is a great holiday lip shade.
Good red.
And then also Front Row. I like Front Row a lot.
These are all full coverage too, by the way.
I really just honestly can't get over the value that this whole set for 5 of them is $39 and one of them costs $20.
And you know what's also great is these don't crack
I love
either or like dry out your lips. They just like stay on. They're so nice. All right, she's coming up to show you.
And this set is available at Sephora.
Next, we've got my favorite product in this whole collection. It's our Mermaid Shine Metallic Sea Glass Eyeshadow Set. And
so pretty.
It's like liquid sea glass.
It's really pretty.
They're so pretty. I'm actually wearing the shade Speedboat, and Deanna, you're wearing the shade
Una Noche?
Una Noche. I love this. They're so pretty. You're getting 4 of these. I'll hold them up so you guys can see. And these are available where?
Sephora and Tarte.com, and they're $28 for the whole set.
They're
really pretty.
We're gonna swatch them so you guys can see. They're so pigmented. The first one we're gonna do is Sweet Life. I'm obsessed with these.
That's
just
gorgeous.
Like gorgeous cream shadows. And they glide right on. I love this one, Speedboat.
This one looks so good on you.
I love it. It's like a good glittery smoky eye.
Ooh.
Look at that. They swatch so good.
That is for smoky eye, glitter smoky eye.
Sorry, I'm doing like kind of bad swatching today. I don't know why.
You're fired.
Sloppy
for swatching.
swatching. Oh, no. Here's Una Noche. That is so pretty.
I love that. It's almost like it has a little bit of a rose gold to it.
And then this one, which is called Night Dive. I was gonna say High Dive. It's Night Dive.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Ooh.
That's like a bronze.
Yeah.
I'd say. Very pretty.
All right, I'm gonna come up so you guys can see these. They're stunning. Very pretty. All right, guys, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed unboxing part 1 of Holiday with us.
Just part 1.
Yeah.
More to
still
come.
more.
A lot more to come.
Lots more. So stay tuned, and what are you gonna say?
I was gonna say, let us know in the comments down below which products you are most excited about, and if you're really pumped for part 2, because I know I am.
I know there's so much more goodness ahead. Wait till you guys see. All right, mwah, mwah, mwah. We
Bye,
love you.
tartelettes.
Bye.